In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Subtask in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple way to capture subtasks right inside your table, and you'll understand exactly why each click matters. First, open your web browser and go to airtable.com. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your workspaces and bases. Airtable will land you on your home screen where you can see all your bases. You can do this on desktop for the smoothest experience. Next, open the base where you want to track subtasks. In this example, we'll open a base titled Untitled Base. If your base has a different name, that's perfectly fine. What matters is that you're inside the base and looking at the table where you manage your tasks. Make sure you're in a grid-style view so you can add fields easily. Now we'll add a new field to hold your subtask information. Look across the top of the table where your column headers are listed, then move to the far right. You'll see a small plus icon for adding a new field. Click that plus sign. This tells Airtable you want to create a new column and choose the type of data it will store. A field type menu will appear. From this list, select single line text. This is a great choice when you want a quick, lightweight place to enter a short subtask description. It's fast to type into, easy to scan, and you can always change the field type later if your needs evolve. When prompted to name the field, type Subtask. Clear naming helps your team understand exactly what goes in this column. Keep it short and consistent. Capitalizing the first letter makes it easy to read. If you prefer, you can add an emoji or a brief description later, but a simple subtask is usually best. Finally, click Create Field to save your new column. You'll see the subtask column appear instantly in your table. From here, you can start entering subtasks for each task row. If you want the subtask field to appear earlier in your table, just drag the column header to reorder it. You can also resize the column for better visibility or enable text wrapping so longer entries are easier to read. A quick tip: single line text is perfect for one concise subtask. If you often need multiple subtasks per task, consider switching later to a long text field or creating a separate subtasks table linked to your main tasks table. For now, you're set up with a fast, no-friction way to capture subtasks right where you work. That's it. You've added a subtask field in Airtable. Save your view, start entering subtasks, and enjoy a clearer workflow.